Hello student, welcome back to our channel. Today we will do one more sum on the exponential limit. Let's read the sum. Limit of 15 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 all divided by x sin x when x tends to 0. Now to evaluate this limit, we need to know the formulas of exponential limit. Before that, let n be the limit of this function. Let's write this. N is equal to limit x tends to 0, 15 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 divided by x sin x. Now, we are going to use the formulas of exponential limit, that is limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a, while another formula that we are going to use is of trigonometric limits, that is limit sin x upon x when x tends to 0 is 1. Now let's evaluate this limit. So limit x tends to 0. Now this 15 raised to x I will write it 5 into 3 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 divided by x sin x. Limit x tends to 0. This will be 5 raised to x into 3 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 divided by x sin x. Now what we can do, we can take 5 raised to x common from the first two terms and minus 1 common from the other two terms. So I will get here limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x into 3 raised to x minus 1 into 3 raised to x minus 1 whole divided by x sin x. Now even from the numerator we can have this 3 raised to x minus 1 as a common factor. So we will take that as a common factor. So limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 into 3 raised to x minus 1 whole divided by x sin x. Now we want to use this formula of exponential limit. So we need a raised to x minus 1, which we have here, but we don't have divided by x. So what we'll do, we will divide this term by x and also this term by x. That means we'll divide numerator by x square. So then we will have to divide denominator also by x square. Hence limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 divided by x into 3 raised to x minus 1 divided by x, the whole divided by x sin x, and to this again we have to divide by x square. So the value of the expression won't change. So now here x will get cancelled and we will take the limits of the numerator separately and the denominator separately. So limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x into limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 upon x whole divided by limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x. So the limit of the numerator is log 5 into log 3 divided by limit of the denominator is 1. Hence the final answer is log 5 into log 3. Hence the limit of this function 15 raised to x minus 5 raised to x minus 3 raised to x plus 1 whole divided by x sin x is log 5 into log 3. So we'll solve one more sum of this type, which is also quite simple sum. Now in this sum also we have to convert this expression in the numerator in the format of the formula of the exponential limit. So let n be the limit of this function, limit x tends to 0, 25 raised to x minus 2 into 5 raised to x plus 1 divided by x sine x. So this I will write now, limit x tends to 0. 25 is 5 square raised to x minus 2 into 5 raised to x plus 1 divided by x sine x, which I can write as limit x tends to 0. This is 5 raised to x the whole square minus 2 into 5 raised to x into 1 plus 1 square. So the numerator will be a minus b whole square, and the denominator we have divided by x sine x. So therefore limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 the whole square divided by x sine x. So this is the simplified version of the given function. So now we need to use the formulas of exponential limits and of course the trigonometric limit. Now what is the formula of the exponential limit that we are going to use? Limit x tends to 0, a raised to x minus 1 upon x is equal to log a, and trigonometric limit is limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x is equal to 1. Now here we don't have divided by x, so what we will do, we will divide numerator by x square and also denominator by x square. So limit x tends to 0, 5 raised to x minus 1 the whole square divided by x square, the whole divided by x sine x divided by x square. So now this x will cancel with this x square. Therefore this is limit of the numerator will be 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x the whole square, whole divided by limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x. Numerator further can be simplified as 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x the whole square divided by, what is the limit of this sin x upon x? It's 1. So I will write divide by 1. Now the limit of this 5 raised to x minus 1 upon x when x tends to 0 is log 5 by using this formula. So I will write log 5 the whole square divided by 1. It is going to be log 5 the whole square. I hope all of you understood these two problems. And students, if you really want to improve your performance in JEE examination, MSCT examination, I strongly recommend all of you to subscribe our channel.